कसलेच अटी शिवाय डुडूक सोडपाचो जेएमएफसीचो निवाडो उच्च न्यायालयान रद्द केल्लो। एनसीबीन डुडूची कस्टडी मागिल्ली, पूण कोर्टान ती न्हयकारिल्ली। दुबाविताक खंयच्या आदाराचेर अटक केल्या ताची प्रत ताका दिवंक नाशिल्ल्याचें कारण दीत जेएमएफसी कोर्टान डुडूक जामीन दिल्लो। डुडूच्या जामीनाक एनसीबीन उच्च न्यायालयात आव्हान दिल्लें। जेएमएफसी कोर्टाचो डुडूक बिनशर्त जामीनाचो आदेश उच्च न्यायालयान रद्द केल्लो। तशेंच एनडीपीएस केसींच्या बाबतीत डुडूक बिनशर्त सोडपाचो जेएमएफसी कोर्टाचो निवाडो चुकीचो आशिल्ल्याचें निरीक्षण हायकोर्टान नोंदयलें। पर्वरी पुलिसांनी हालींच बेकायदेशीर घुसखोरी आनी चोरयेच्या प्रकरणात एकल्याक अटक केल्ली। पुलिसांनी दिल्ले नोटीसी प्रमाण तो चौकशेक आयिल्लो, पूण तो तपासात सहकार्य करिना म्हूण पुलिसांचो आर्ग्युमेंट आशिल्लो। पूण चौकशेक हजर रावूनय ताका अटक करप चुकीचें आशिल्ल्याचें निरीक्षण नोंदयत जेएमएफसी कोर्टान ताका जामीन दिल्लो।
Section 35(3) is a pre-arrest notice. Section 35(3) simply says that whenever an investigating officer issues a notice of appearance on the applicant and the applicant abides by that order and remains present before the investigating officer, he cannot be arrested unless otherwise.
कायद्यात अशो कांय तरतुदी आसात जातून पुलिसांक दुबावितांक विशिष्ट परिस्थितीत अटक करपाचो अधिकार आसा म्हूण डेप्युटी सॉलिसिटर जनरल आदोगाद प्रवीण फळदेसाय सांगता। डुडूच्या प्रकरणा संदर्भात तो उलयतालो।
If I see this order which you are referring to now of JMFC MAPSA in the case of Parwari police station, here also the court has considered that notice was given under section 35 and subsequently the police arrested the accused. Now the court has tried to kind of bridge between two subsections and held that that power is only not available with the investigation officer or the police officer. Once the notice is given, you cannot arrest. Now it is not the import of the section that once 35(3) notice is given, never that person can be arrested. The power is there in the police officer. It is not the case that when the 35 notice is given, it is expected that the accused will come to the police station and confess or give all the information to the police officer. But the minimum cooperation that is required for the investigation purpose, that it is his duty bound to do so. And if he fails to do that, then the police officer certainly has a power to arrest after recording reasons.
डुडू भशेनूच खाजा सय्यदाच्या बाबतीत जेएमएफसी कोर्टान दिल्ल्या निवाड्याक हायकोर्टात आव्हान दिवं येता म्हूण आदोगाद प्रवीण फळदेसाय सांगता।
If this becomes the precedent, then the investigation hampers. So the principle that is put forth by this order may not be the best principle or may not be the best in the interest of what the import of BNSS and what is the import of 35 section 35 is. So yes, there is something wrong somewhere.
खाजा सय्यदाच्या निवाड्याच्या बाबतीत हायकोर्टात आव्हान दिवप काय ना ते पर्वरी पुलीस आनी पुलिसीच्या उचेल्या अधिकाऱ्यांचेर निंबून आसा। प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार।